Good afternoon, dear children. Welcome back to this new video. In this video, we will learn about binary representation for signed numbers and binary arithmetics. Today's class first topic is binary representation for signed numbers. In mathematics, we are studying positive negative number. Here, this 56. This is positive or negative number. Then 54 minus 54. This is which number? Negative number. Because of this sign, we can identify this is a positive or negative. In computer also have positive and negative numbers. Then how this computer can represent positive or negative number? The simplest method to represent the negative number in binary format is known as signed magnitude. Understand? This signed magnitude representation has two types, 1's complement method and 2's complement method. Understand? Then here is one example. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Here this is one binary number of 8-bit number. Binary number 8-bit. Here this leftmost bit. This is the leftmost bit. What we said, this bit name MSB, most significant bit. Okay, this bit is used for store the sign. Understand? This last bit is, that is leftmost bit, is used for store the sign. If it is this leftmost bit is 0, means that is positive. This bit is 1, means that is negative number. This is the signed magnitude representation. First representation is 1's complement representation. This representation is simplest representation only. It is used for only the negative numbers. Okay, all zeros we want to change into 1. All 1 is changed into zeros. That is the thing. I am taking one number 1 1 0 1 1 0 1 1. This is the one binary number. We want to take the 1's complement of this number. How? All zeros we want to change into 1. All 1 is changed into 0. See here. Then 1 is changed into 0. This 1 is changed into 0. 0 is changed into 1. Then next. See, 1 is changed into 0. 1 is changed into 0. This 0 is changed into 1. 1 is changed into 0. This 1 is changed. This is the 1's complement of this number. Now we will see one problem based on 1's complement. Find 1's complement for minus 24. How? First we want to convert this 24 into binary. How we can? Repetitive division by 2 method. Then 2. 1 2 is 2. 2 2s are 4. Remaining 0. Then 6 2s are 12. Remaining 0. 3 2s are 6. Remaining 0. 1 2 is 2. Remaining 1. What is the value of this one? Binary of this number? Binary of 24 is 1 1 0 0 0. Here how many bits are there? 1 2 3 4 5. 5 bits are there. We want to change into 8 bit. So add 3 more bit in the leftmost. Then 0 0 0 1 1 0 0 0. Base 2. Now how many bits are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Then we want to make the 1's complement. Then all zeros are converted into 1. All 1 is converted into zeros. So this 0 is converted into 1. 0 is converted into 1. 0 is converted into 1. 1 is converted into 0. This 1 is converted into 0. These three zeros are converted into 1's. This is the 1's complement of this minus 24. Next representation is 2's complement representation. This is also very easiest representation. First you have to take 1's complement of that number, then add 1 with that. So we can write the formula like this: 2's complement equal to 1's complement plus 1. Okay, this is the formula for 2's complement. We will do one problem, then we will get the idea. Find the 2's complement of minus 13. First find out the binary of 13. How? Repetitive division by 2. 6 2's are 12, remaining 1. 3 2's are 6, remaining 0. 1 2 is 2, remaining 1. So binary of minus 13 is 1 1 0 1. How many digits are here? 4 digits. Make it as a 8 bit. 8 bit representation is 0 0 0 1 1 0 1. Did you understand why I added these zeros? Here 4 digit only there. We want to make it as 8 bit. So we are added these 4 zeros. Okay. Then take 1's complement. 1's complement, how will you take? All zeros become 1. All ones become zeros. Okay. This is the 1's complement. With this 1's complement, we have to add 1 with that. Sorry, here. Add 1 with that. 0 plus 1, 1. 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1. 1. This is the 2's complement of this minus 13. Next one is binary arithmetic. In the binary arithmetic, 2 problems we are going to solve: binary addition and binary subtraction. Okay. First, binary addition. The one formula is there. You have to study this formula. 0 plus 0, 0. We know. Then 0 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 0, 1. That also we know. Then 1 plus 1, 1 0. Why it is 1 0? Already we know 1 plus 1 is 2. What is the 2 binary value? 1 2 is 2. Remaining 0. What it is? 1 0. This 1 0 only here. Understand how 1 plus 1 is 0, 1 0? How you are getting 1 plus 1 is equal to 1 0? Did you get? Then based on this we will do one problem. 1 0 1 1 base 2 plus 1 0 0 1 base 2. How will you do this one? Here ordinary mathematics only, same way you have to write. Then write the digit, the proper position. 1 0 0 1 base 2. Add this one. 1 plus 1, already we studied. 1 plus 1 is 1 0. 1 0 here, 0 is right here. This one is coming to this carry bit. Understand? Next one, carry bit. Here 1 plus 1, again 1 0. Then 1 0 plus 0, 1 0. Then this 0 is right here. This one will be carry for next bit. 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 0, 1. Here 1 plus 1, 1 0. That 1 0 you have to write. This is the answer for this addition. Next one, problem. Binary addition for 23 base 10 plus 12 base 10. How will you do this one? First, take the binary of 23 and 12. Then add. See here. What is the binary of 23? 1 2 is 2, 1 2 is 2, remaining 1. Then 5 2s are 10, remaining 1. 2 2s are 4, remaining 1. 1 2 is 2, remaining 0. Binary of 23 is which one? 1 0 1 1. Next, find the binary of 12. Same method only. 12. 6 2s are 12, remaining 0. 3 2s are 6, remaining 0. 1 2 is 2 remaining 1. So binary of 12 is what is 1 1 0 0 base 2. Then now add these two numbers. First write that binary of 23 1 0 1 1 1. Then next binary of 12 write. Then you have to write in the correct position values 1 1. Then add these two numbers 1 plus 0 1 1 plus 0 1 1 plus 1 1 0 0 right here. This one is come for the next carry bit. Okay, 1 plus 0 1 1 plus 1 1 0. This 0 is writing here. 1 is for the carry bit for next one. 1 plus 1 1 0. Okay, binary addition for 23 plus 12. Next one is binary subtraction. For that formula 0 minus 0 0, 1 minus 0 1, 1 minus 1 0. This is ordinary mathematics. Here one difference 1 0 minus 1. 1 0 means already we studied 2. Binary of 2 only 1 0. That is 2 minus 1 1. That is the thing. That way you have to remember. Now we will see one problem based on this binary subtraction. 1 0 0 1 0 1 0 base 2 minus 1 0 1 0 0. Okay, how we can do that? See here, first you have to write the first number 1 0, then write the second number. Now subtract 0 minus 0 0, 1 minus 0 1, 0 minus 1 we cannot subtract it. So we have to take the borrow. Take borrow from next digit. Here this becomes 0, this becomes 1 0. Ordinary mathematics only. 1 0 minus 1. Here 1 0 minus 1. What is the answer? 1. Here 0 minus 0. What is 0? 0 minus 1. Can we subtract? No. We have to take the borrow. Here also nothing. So from here you have to take borrow. This becomes 0. This becomes 1 0. Take from 1 from here. This become 1. This become 1 0. Understand? Then 1 0 minus 1 1. Here 1 minus 0 1. Then 0 minus 0 0. This is the binary equivalent of this. One more problem is here binary addition for minus 21 base 10 plus 5 base 10. Okay, here is one negative number, one positive number. What we are doing? We want to convert into binary number. Here this is the negative number. Negative number we should represent in the 2's complement. For the negative number we should represent in 2's complement. Then add both number. Then we will get the answer. See here. First you have to take the binary of this number. Binary of 21. What is the binary of 21? 1 2 is 2. 0 remaining 1. Then 5 2's are 10 remaining 0. 2 2's are 4 remaining 1. 1 2 is 2 remaining 0. This is the binary of 21. Binary of 21 is 1 0 1 0 1. This is how many bit number? 5 bit number. Make it as 8 bit. 8 bit 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 1. Okay. Then next take the ones complement of this number. Why we are taking the ones complement? This is the negative number. That's why ones complement. Ones complement. How will you take? Zeros become 1, ones become 0. 1 1 1 0 1 0 1 0. Then add 1 with that. Then you will get the 2's complement. 0 plus 1 1 1 0 1 0 1 1 1. Okay, this is the 2's complement. Then take the binary of 5. 5, what is the binary value of 5? 2 2s are 4, remaining 1. 1 2 is 2, remaining 0. What is the binary value of 5? 1 0 1. Here how many bit? 3 bit. Add 5 more bit in the left side. Then binary of 5 is 1 0 1. Then make it as 8 bit. Add 5 more 0 with that. 1 0 1. Here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8 bits are there. Now add this one. What are the things? 8 bit of 5 and 2's complement of 21. Add with. Add. 1 plus 1 1 0 0 right here, this one is right here. 1 plus 1 1 0 0 is right here, 1 is right here. Understand? 1 plus 0 1 1 plus 1 1 0 0 right here, 1 is right here. 1 plus 1 1 0. Then 1 0 plus 0 1 0 0 right here, 1 is right here. 1 plus 0 1 1 plus 0 1 1 plus 0 1 1 plus 0 1 1 plus 0 1. This is the binary addition for this minus 21 plus 5.